Today, I'm going to show you how to enjoy your rice and beans in another dimension. Yes, sweet honey beans with rice, a powerful combo with absolute deliciousness. The hype of this recipe is real, so let me show you how. Get your rice, honey beans, palm oil, tatashe, onions, rodo, bouillon cubes, garlic, salt, fried millet, fish, smoked panla fish, crayfish, and dandelion for garnishing. Time to cook. Start by boiling your water. I'm using already picked brown honey beans. So rinse and pour into your boiling water and allow it cook. You can use any type of beans, but for this buttery sweet taste, I am using my honey beans. While the beans is boiling, start boiling the rice also. You can use any rice of your choice, but for this local palm oil taste, my choice of rice is definitely not basmati. Clean and remove all the bone from your smoked panla fish. Set this aside. I already fried some fish earlier. Next, roughly chop your tatashe, onion and rodo. This recipe is without tomatoes. It's like the pepper combination when making vegetable soup. You can watch my previous video for making vegetable soup. Now, both the beans and rice are about 90% done here. Drain out the water and set them aside. It's time to start frying the sauce. In your pan, add your palm oil. Do not bleach. Then add your bouillon cubes, chopped pepper, onions, and mix together. Add your crayfish, a bit of salt, bouillon cubes, and allow it fry very well. Then pour in all your smoked panla fish, cover and let it fry. It's creamy, yummy. Just look at that. So good. Now add a bit of water into the sauce, enough to steam the rice and beans to perfection. Add the beans and rice now, mix together, reduce to very low heat and cover. And just wait for this deliciousness. The great reveal is here. Mix and drop in the fried fish. It's ready to serve. Garnish with dandelion leaves. Just look how lovely the honey beans are shining through the rice with all the smoked panla fish peeping out and the fried mullet fish sitting right on top. Do you agree with me? That you have to recreate this dish. It's so easy, and if you have cooked rice and beans in your fridge, just make your sauce and enjoy as a réchauffé dish, meaning a dish from previously cooked or leftover, turning it into a delicious meal. This is so good. I'm enjoying my rice and honey beans combo. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more delicious recipes. Thank you.